So here we have reinforcement plates for the e36. These are from Born to Drift. I think they're about 30 quid. Quite thick. And these are the Z4 trail and arm cups. Not as big as what we thought they'd be. We thought there'd be more metal, so when we cut them out we'd have more to weld in. But we'll sort that out if anybody wants the part number. And then 70 on the other one. So we're just using the bolts from the rear of the subframe to hold up the reinforcement plates into position. Just holds them there and makes it easier to weld. Okay, so me and Ross now have welded in the reinforcement plates onto the subframe. I'll give you a look. Just need to grind these bits off now and we'll underseal all of this before bolting the subframe back on. So these are the trail and arm pockets, the replacement ones. These are Z4 ones. We were expecting them to be a bit bigger. We were hoping they'd be a bit bigger, be a bit more metal. I'll show you what we actually wanted on the car. So we were hoping the pockets would come with this bit up here and around, the same then as it flaps under, and then up around on the back. I'm assuming e36 ones come like that, but they don't sell them anymore. So we'd have to, obviously where it's all damaged here, we'd have to repair that. Same on the other side. So what we'll do is we'll make some brackets and add on to these cups, just so we can support the places where there's no rust. So that's next on the list now. We just need to get some 2mm plates so we can start making them up. And we'll film as much of that as possible. As you can see, it's all cut out. Ross is now just placing the new pocket in place. Pocket gone. So new pocket is tacked in place. See, Ross is cutting away the rest of the rusty stuff, and he's going to replate it then with new plates he's making. So it should be solid as a rock once it's all finished, and much better than it was before. Waste bit.
Light was just big.
Old iPhones are straight.
What's an IC20? So remember the 11 camera?
Is it?
There's a light.
What's an iPhone?
Yeah, it's like no IC20, the brand. Nice. An iPhone, it's like the iPhone 8.
So the second pocket is in place, passenger side. Just need to sort all this area out now. Also nearly done. Right, so passenger side pocket all welded in. It just needs to seam seal all of this and paint it, and then it'll be ready to fit everything back on. So everything is now under sealed. Let that all dry off and we'll give it a quick coat of paint. So all the pockets now are painted and under sealed, same as the reinforcement plates. It's pretty much finished on the back, just have to add some new brake lines and then it's done. So that's it for this part. Next part now will just be putting everything back on, getting the engine running, and then it'll be finished. Just remember, if you're watching, to hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.